A diamond has remained one of the most magnificent gems throughout history. But why is the diamond so intriguing, exactly? A diamond is unique for its potential to capture someone's heart in a matter of seconds, as well as the fact that it was formed before the time of the dinosaurs. A diamond is still the quintessential love symbol today, making it the perfect present for anniversaries, birthdays, and other significant occasions. Hello everyone. Welcome to Z. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Facts about diamond. Diamonds are created under conditions of intense heat and pressure. In the Earth's mantle, the carbon atoms solidify under circumstances of intense heat and pressure. Diamonds therefore develop over billions of years. As a result, mantle-directed volcano pipe eruptions are the most frequent mechanism for diamonds to originate. India was the site of the first diamond mines. Around the 4th century BC, the first diamonds were mined in India. Additionally, throughout ancient times, India was the only place to find diamonds. Due to this, from the beginning of time until the year 1726, India was the primary producer of diamonds in the globe. However, as demand for diamonds increased from 1726 to the present, more and more nations joined the diamond rush quest, dethroning India as the world's top producer. The production of diamonds is not limited to India anymore. Russia, Botswana, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Australia, Canada, Zimbabwe, Angola, South Africa, and Lesotho are currently the top producers of diamonds. By volume, Russia is the top producer and exporter of rough diamonds. In addition to having the largest diamond reserves in the world, Russia also produces and exports the most rough diamonds overall. The biggest diamond mine in the world is also located in Russia. The Ubilini Diamond Mine, which has been in operation since 1986, is situated in Sakha, Russian Federation. The Ubilini Diamond Mine, which has been in operation since 1986, is situated in Sakha, Russian Federation. Leading the industry in diamond mining is Alrosa. A diamond monopoly is held by a group of Russian mining businesses called Alrosa. It is a business that is mostly held by the Russian government in the far eastern Yakutia area. Alrosa, according to the firm, produces up to 33% of the world's raw diamonds and is the world's top diamond miner. Diamonds are not all colorless. Not all diamonds are colorless, despite common perception. Different hues of red, green, orange, yellow, brown, black, pink, and blue can be found in rare diamonds. One of the world's most difficult natural substances is a diamond. According to studies, a diamond is up to 58 times harder than anything you'll find in nature, making it one of the hardest natural materials known to man. The only thing or piece of machinery that could cut through a diamond would therefore be another diamond. Only the elite could obtain diamonds. The common person didn't always have access to diamonds. In the 20th century, France established a statute stating that only the king was permitted to wear diamonds. A peasant or other non-royal member of the community would face severe repercussions if they were caught wearing the fascinating jewel. Diamonds were quite uncommon at this time. The entire diamond business was irrevocably altered by the discovery of diamonds in South Africa. When diamonds are polished and cut, they can lose up to 50% of their original weight. Even with modern methods, polishing and cutting a diamond can cause it to lose up to 50% of its original weight. In order to eliminate inclusions or maintain weight, cutters occasionally forego or tolerate lessening proportions and symmetry. The term genuine diamond includes lab-grown diamonds. The popularity of lab-grown diamonds has been rising for a number of reasons, including their affordability, beauty, and quality. In addition, the laboratory-grown diamond is produced there under controlled circumstances that mimic the way carbon naturally forms diamonds. The good news is that lab-grown diamonds are genuine diamonds in terms of their chemical makeup and structural makeup. 1 carat of diamond requires the mining of almost 250 tons of earthly ground. Because diamonds are formed more than 100 kilometers beneath the Earth's surface, 250 tons of the planet's surface must be mined in order to produce just 1 carat of diamond. In addition, 80% of diamonds in the world are unsuitable for jewelry. Not all diamonds were mined. The majority of diamonds sold today are mined underground or beneath the sea using sophisticated gear. Diamonds were initially discovered by miners next to or at the bottom of rivers before being mined beneath the surface of the earth. Alluvial mining is the term used to describe this sort of mining. Diamond-containing white dwarf stars have been discovered by astronomers. White dwarf stars in outer space have been found to contain diamonds, according to scientists. Furthermore, with a remarkable weight of 2 trillion tons and a maximum carat capacity of 10 billion, that makes it the largest diamond known to exist. That's for now. We appreciate you being here. View more our channel videos.